Trump announced it at the White House. $500 billion, the biggest AI infrastructure bet in American history. The Stargate project was supposed to be unstoppable. Today, the first crack just appeared, and nobody saw it coming from this direct what actually happened. Oracle and OpenAI have canceled plans to expand their flagship Abilene data center campus, nuclear reactor worth of computing power. And they just walked away. Why? Two reasons. The deal collapsed amid drawn-out negotiations over financing, and OpenAI kept changing its mind about how much capacity it actually needed. Wall Street, China. And if that was not enough, a winter storm earlier this year knocked the facility offline for several days when liquid cooling equipment failed, which damaged the relationship between Oracle and site developer Crusoe. FX678, the flagship Stargate project, announced with fanfare at the White House, just hit its first major wall. The Nvidia plot twist. Now here's where the story gets really interesting. When the deal collapsed, Nvidia did not sit back and watch. Nvidia stepped in to make sure its chips, rather than those of competitor AMD, would power the expanded data center. Nvidia paid a $150 million deposit to Crusoe and started working to bring Meta in as the new tenant. Futon. Think about what just happened. Nvidia paid $150 million out of its own pocket not to build anything, not to buy anything, simply to make sure AMD does not get a foot in the door at one of the most high-profile AI sites in America. This is not generosity. This is a chip war. And Nvidia just showed exactly how far it is willing to go to protect its territory. Who wins and who loses the loser today is clear. Oracle dropped over 1% on this news. The broader group of 8 largest hyperscalers, including Google, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Oracle, Tencent, Alibaba, and Baidu, are expected to spend a combined $710 billion on data centers in 2026 alone. Futon Oracle is falling behind in this race. The winner is Meta. Meta and Crusoe's talks over the expanded site are ongoing, though a deal has not yet been signed. Wall Street, China. But if it goes through, Meta gets a 1,000-acre partially operational campus in a deal brokered by Nvidia itself. That is a significant shortcut for a company planning to spend $135 billion on AI infrastructure this year. The real signal here is what this story is really telling us. The AI infrastructure boom is not slowing down. The money is still flowing. But the easy phase is over. Financing is getting complicated. Demand forecasting is proven harder than anyone expected. And the partnerships that looked rock solid a year ago are starting to show cracks. OpenAI's own CFO said last year that no one in the history of man has built data centers this fast. Yifeng Finance. Moving this fast means mistakes. It means deals fall apart. It means $150 million emergency moves by chip companies trying to protect their market share. The companies that will win this phase are not the ones making the biggest announcements. They are the ones with the balance sheets and the operational discipline to actually follow through. Right now, that looks more like Meta than OpenAI. We will be watching this one closely. See you in the next video.